Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to sync your Galaxy Buds with your new and latest Samsung S10e, S10, S10 Plus. So let's go ahead and get this started. This is my new and latest Samsung S10 Plus. This is the ceramic model. Let's go ahead and unlock my phone first. Okay. So once you get into your home screen, and whenever you open your wireless earbud or the Bluetooth earbud, but be sure to turn on your Bluetooth. You want to drop down the menu. So if your Bluetooth is turned on, you gotta make sure it is on with the blue color. So now it's gonna scan. You have to pop the cover open. So you gotta try to sync it. So click on scan. There you go. It's pick up your Galaxy Buds. A new device has been detected. So you just click on connect. And then you gotta click on allow. And then allow again. So allow the Galaxy wearable to make and then manage your phone calls. Allow to access your contact. Allow. Setting up your phone 93%. 100%. Allow Galaxy Buds to access your contact again. Allow. Access your calendar. View your SMS. Access your phone call logs. And then you gotta check on the report diagnostic info, optional. So I'm just gonna click on agree. And right here it says manage notification on your Galaxy Buds. You can access the alarm, email, incoming call, message, missed call, schedule. You could turn those on and off, whatever apps. There's so many apps that you could work with your Galaxy Buds. So I'm just gonna click on next. This is whatever the suggestion, the one that they turn it on. If you want, you could turn on all the apps by clicking that or turn that on. Just gonna click on next. It says use touchpad. So it gives you like a helpful hint right here. Oh, it says use, yeah, it's kind of hard to see. It says use touchpad, tap once to play or pause track. And if you double tap, it play next track or answer or end the call. And if you triple tap, triple tap, play previous track. And if you touch and hold, user's choice, change in setting, decline calls. and there's ambient sound. Ambient sound turn on to amplify sound from your surroundings, so you can stay awake of what's going on around you. You can also set ambient sound to make voice stands out more clearly than other sounds. And quick ambient sounds, touch and hold your earbuds touchpad to turn down media volume and turn up ambient sound. So you can touch and hold. And you could also pair with the phone or tablets. If you already pair your earbuds with the phone or tablet, just open a charging case to connect them again. If you don't connect automatically, or if you want to pair with a new phone or tablet, put on your earbuds and touch and hold both earbuds for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. And charging with your phone, you can use your phone or charge your earbuds. On the phone, quick panel, turn on a wireless PowerShare with your earbuds in the charging case. Place on the case against the back of your phone in the center. All right, so let's go click on finish. So it says you are all set. And then here is the equalizer, which is pretty awesome. You can set dynamic. Here, I'm going to show you guys real quick. Dynamic, soft, bass boost, clear, and then treble boost. It's a touchpad. Oh, the touchpad, you can lock the touchpad, or you can left and right command. You can set it to do quick ambient sound or volume down. And then you can do the volume up and stuff. And you can find my earbud, which is nice. Let's see if I hit that start, what's it gonna sound like? Oh, I went to safe mode or something. Let's see, take it out of the case. So actually it is magnetized, okay? So it doesn't fall off right away. You have to touch it or something to take it out or to remove it. Oh. Awesome. That's cool. I'm not sure if Apple has that feature. Okay, you can press stop. That is a pretty nice innovation from Samsung. So I'm gonna share. I'm gonna show you guys the PowerShare real quick. But it shows green right now, which is like fully charged there already. So in order to turn on the PowerShare, you just pull down the drop-down menu and look for PowerShare, and be sure to turn that on. So this is one right here, wireless PowerShare. Make sure you turn it on. And then now you can place it on the back of your phone. So I'm not sure if I have my case on there. It's not allowing to charge or when it's fully charged. Let me try to take out my case and see. So I just take out my case. I left the plastic frame on. I'm just gonna test this out. Did it just see? Make sure it is still on. Wireless PowerShare, turn it on. Ready to charge. Put your center of your phone back to back with another device. Okay. Okay. Put it right in the center, right there by the sticker right there. So there you go. So unfortunately, if you have a case or I have a case, because that's a rugged case, it's not allowing me to charge wirelessly. But with the wireless charging pad, I guess it has a bigger coil or something, so it was charging fine without any problem. All right, so that's that. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.